I'm now going to show you an alternative way to executing Python files with VS Code. This will give you a little bit more controls, and if you're familiar with the command line, you might prefer this way. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is get rid of this terminal that is opened up. So if I go to the trash can over here, I will kill this terminal. And then what I'm going to do is actually open up just a new terminal just to start it from scratch. So you can go to terminal up here from the window up here, the menu option, and click on terminal like this. Now, there's a little bug with VS Code, and if you do Python -- version right here, we can check the version. If it says 2.7 or really any version that is not the version over here, which is what you selected as, so 3.9.13 for me, whatever your current version is, then something is wrong. And that's where this notification comes into play that we saw earlier. It says, if you're experiencing issues with the environment, we recommend that you let the Python extension change this integrated inherent and to false in your user settings. So I'm going to say yes to that. And then what we will do here is we're going to restart VS Code. And I'm actually going to go here. I'm going to say File. Let me actually close the folder. And then I'm actually going to quit Visual Studio Code. And then I will open up Visual Studio Code one more time. And we will then open up that same folder, under Data Courses, Master the Fundamentals of Python, and then writing entire programs. All right, and then I will start the terminal again. I'll go to Terminal, New Terminal, and I will double check now, and it says Python -- version. It does say 3.9.13. So that notification actually ended up being correct, and now I'm able to have the correct version of Python connected to my Visual Studio Code. All right, so the way we can now the way we can now execute files or Python files is by typing in Python space and then just the file name. And there's actually tab completion. So I just tab completed, but I can also just type it out. Python space hello world.py. Like this. All right. So, and it worked. And it's just another way to do this. And this gives you a little bit more control. One thing that is nice, you can just press up arrow to get the same statement again. And there's other commands you can do here if you know more about Python. So this is really more kind of an advanced usage. I will say that if this does not work for you, so sometimes you might be, your computer for whatever reason will not work like this. It will just give you some error message. That's fine. You can always execute the program with this plus sign or this play sign, or by right clicking and just saying run Python file in terminal, and it will get executed correctly. So you don't have to worry about this. You can just do the old method and it should work. So again, this new method, let me just close out of here, is to go to terminal over here, new terminal, and then type in Python hello world.py or whatever the program is, and it will execute it for you.